In this video we'll start painting a colorful peacock before we start splashing colors all over the place. If you happen to enjoy this video, please take a moment to give it a like and subscribe. Also turn on notifications so that you don't miss new videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On the occasion of Holi today, I thought instead of posting any other video, I thought splash some colors. If you're a beginner, you can actually give this a try. It's not going to be that difficult. Just concentrate on brush strokes and then make sure that you try to show the neck, body, and then colorful tail. So that's the main important. Everything is dependent on brush strokes. And splash some colors. I've used 6 colors here, so you can use any number of colors. But and also I've also used a sprayer. So if you don't have sprayer, you can actually straight use, instead of color, you can actually use a little bit of water. So that way what happens is the water and the colors actually they get mixed up. If not, usually you get just the dots, but I wanted that to be spreading around the surface. So if that happens, just concentrate on brush strokes and then you should have a very beautiful peacock. It's all about just the brush strokes, and then just enjoy the painting and happy Holi.